Okay, guys, let's do another video on the law of sines assignments. And we're going to do number 4 from the first day. And the first thing I want you to always do is check the angles. So notice I have 2 angles that I already know. So that means I can find this third angle very easily if I subtract it from 180, correct? So that's what I'm going to do here. So with the calculator, I'm going to take 180, I'm going to minus the 33 and minus the 35. That leaves me with this angle being 112 degrees. So I've already found all the angles. So what's left? Well, we have 2 missing sides. Let's start by finding side BC over here. BC, notice, is opposite with the 33-degree angle A. So, can't I say that the sine of 33 degrees goes with BC? Just like I can say that this 35 being opposite of 39 means I could say the sine of 35 degrees goes with 39. And now we can solve for BC. Cross multiplying this way, I get 39 times the sine of 33 degrees. And that's going to equal BC times the sine of 35 degrees. Looks like blue shows up a little bit better. And to find BC, all I need to do now is divide by sine of 35. So BC must be whatever this is. So let's go to our calculator. If I do 39 times the sine of 33 and I divide by the sine of 35, I know I get 37.03. Rounded off, I'm just going to say 37. Now let's find the only other missing side down here, AC. We're missing AC down here, right? So I know that AC is opposite of the 112. So good thing we found the angle 112, right? So I could say that the sine of 112 degrees goes with my AC. That's got to equal the sine of 35. That goes with 39. Again, always try to use information that they already gave you guys whenever possible. So I'm going to do the sine of 35 with 39. You could do sine of 33 with 37 if you like, but what happens if 37 was a mistake? Now you just got a second wrong answer, okay? So anyway, solving this, I hope you agree, when I cross multiply, I get 39 times the sine of 112 degrees, and I'm going to just simply divide by the sine of 35 degrees, and this will give me AC. So going to my calculator, I'm going to do 39 sine of 112. Just checking my work there. Divide by sine of 35. And I know the last missing side here must be 63. And what was this side again? 37. So notice I found every missing side and every missing angle. All right, let's go on to the next one. Now this time, guys, notice I only have one angle. So my strategy this time is I'm going to find another angle first, and that'll help me find a third angle ultimately. So let's do that. So 58 goes with 29. Always match the opposite with their angles, right? Opposite side with their angles. So I know that the sine of 58 degrees goes with 29. Okay? And they only gave me the 25. What is that opposite of? Angle C. So the sine of angle C goes with 25. So I can solve now for sine of C. I'm going to cross multiply 25 times sine of 58. And I'm going to divide by this 29. Sorry, guys. And so let's do this on the calculator. So if I do 25 sine of 58 divided by 29, I get 0.7310. Now, leave that in your calculator, guys, because we now know that the sine of C is 0.7310, right? And to find C, we have to do sine inverse. We also call that arc sine. So notice on my calculator, I did sine inverse of this answer. And I now know my angle is 46.97. Rounded off, we're going to say 47. So C is 47 degrees. Let's fill that in there. Now, guys, notice I now know two angles. So let's take 180 minus those two angles, right? We're going to minus the 58. We're going to minus the 47. And let's see what we get. 180 minus 58 minus 47 is 75 degrees. So my last remaining angle is 75 degrees. What's the only thing missing now is this side over here, AC. So let's do that next. We know that that side goes with the 75, which we found, 75-degree angle. So I'm going to say that the sine of 75 degrees goes with AC. Okay. And I'm going to, again, use these two because they were given to us. Always try to use given information, guys. So I know that the sine of 58 degrees goes with 29. So AC is going to equal, cross multiplying this way, 29 times the sine of 75 divided by the sine of 58. Let's see what that is. 29 sine of 75 divided by sine 58 is 33. Rounded off, it's 33. So this side is 33. We found every missing angle and every missing side once again. Okay, let's do one more. Number 6. Notice we got two angles, guys. So the first thing I would do is take 180. Let's minus those two angles from 180, and we're going to find the third missing angle. So 180 minus 107 minus 39 is 34 degrees. So I know all three angles now. Now notice, guys, this angle we need anyways because it's the only thing opposite the given side, 24. So we're going to say the sine of our 34-degree angle goes with 24. And, again, it doesn't matter what side you use. How about we find BC over here first? That is opposite with a 39-degree angle. So we'll say sine of 39 degrees goes with BC. So that means BC must be, cross multiplying this way, 24 sine of 39. And that's divided by the sine of 34 degrees. Let's do it. So, let's make sure I have the right one. There we go. So 24 sine of 39 divided by sine of 34. So the one missing side is basically 27. So this side must be 27. Now we're only missing this side, AC. Well, AC is opposite the 107. So I could say that the sine of 107 degrees goes with AC, just like the sine of 39 degrees goes with 27. Or, actually, I think what I did was I used the sine of 24 degrees. Sorry, sine of 34 degrees. I'm going to use this and this again, guys. You could have used either one. Redo that. So I'm going to say that we're going to do the sine of 34 degrees with the 24. Again, we could have instead done sine of 39 with 27. Okay, so we can find AC now. AC, cross multiplying, is going to be 24 sine of 107 divided by the sine of 34 degrees. So 24 sine 107 divided by sine 34 is 41. So again, we found every missing side and every missing angle. So guys, hopefully this video helps you out a lot. It's important that you practice also going through the calculator part, not just taking notes on the actual math here. Okay, practice with your calculator, okay? Very important you do that. All right, I'll see you in class.